Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Today I'm going to teach more problems from limits. Yesterday I taught you limits. There are 4 methods I taught you last video. So today I'm going to teach more problems from limits. So we need to do 4 methods for each problem. Okay? You guys need to learn all the 4 methods. The first method is what? The first method is row and column method. The second method is factorization method. Third method is substitution method. The last one is using the formula. Okay. The first problem. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 3 square by x minus 3. That is the problem. Okay, this is an easy problem, but I am going to teach you one more time each method. Okay, the first method is row and column method. So just draw two rows and some columns. Okay, x values here, the first row, fx values on the second row. Okay, x tends to 3. When x is equal to 3, what is that? 3 square 9 minus 9 by 3 minus 3, that is 0 by 0 form. So we cannot determine this value. So we need to find the limits. Okay, so x is equal to, I am going to give values from 2. When x is equal to 2, what is fx? 2 square 4 minus 3 square is 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 square minus 3 square by 2 minus 3. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 divided by minus 1, that is 5. 2.1. When x is equal to 2, use your calculator, you will find out 5.1, 2.2, 5.2, then 2.9, 5.9. Then finally, when you put 3, the value becomes 0 by 0. But the question is, limit x is not equal to 3, x tends to 3. X tends to 3. Tends to 3 means not equal to 3. What is the next value? Next integer close to 5.9. Next integer close to 5.9 is 6. So 6 is the limit value. The answer is 6. This is the answer. So limit x tends to 3, x square minus 3 square divided by x minus 3 is 6. So that is the first method. Second method is factorization method. Limit x tends to 3, x tends to 3, x square minus 3 square by x minus 3, limit x tends to 3. Factorize x square minus 3 square. What is x square minus a square? Equals x minus a times x plus a. So here x minus 3, instead of a, put 3. X minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. So x minus 3 get cancelled. So x plus 3. After cancellation, just substitute the value of x is equal to 3 here. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that is the method 2. Next method is little difficult because it is a substitution method. So you guys need to learn that method also, because that is important. That is very important. So just take a paper and pencil and write down everything. Everything what I do in the board, just do it. Yeah. Next one, substitution method. Substitution method, put x is equal to 3 plus h. So we are going to convert, this is the x function. We are going to convert x function into h function. H, a new function. Okay. That is, where did you get that 3? 3 is from here. If it is 2, 2 plus h. If it is 7, 7 plus h. You got it? So, when x is equal to 3, 3 plus h. So, minus 3 on both sides. You get 0. 3 minus 3, 0. This one cancel. H equals 0. So, when x tends to 3, h also tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. I am going to convert everything to h, not x. There is no x here. So x is equal to 3 plus h. 3 plus h, the whole square, minus 3 square, divided by 3 plus h minus 3. See, minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Expand this one. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So substitute, expand this one. Limit h tends to 0. 3 square, 9. A square, 3 square, 9. Plus 2ab, 2 into 3 into h. 2 into 3, 6h. Minus, what is 3 square? Sorry. Plus b square. Plus b square is h square. Minus 3 square, 9. Divided by h. See, 9 minus 9 get cancelled. So 6h plus h square by divided by h. Limit h tends to 0. 6h plus h square divided by h. Take h as a common factor. H outside. So when you take out h outside, left over is 6 plus, when you take h from h square, you get h divided by h. Then cancel numerator and denominator. Then substitute the value of h is equal to 0 here. So when h is equal to 0, in 6 plus h, you get 6 plus 0 is 6. See, this is the third method. You understand? See, one more time. This is little difficult. Put x is equal to 3 plus, that is the substitution method. Okay? X is equal to 3 plus h. This is x function. We are going to convert x function into h function. Here there is no x. Everything is h. So when x tends to 3 plus h tends to 0. So 3 plus h the whole square minus 3 square by divided by 3 plus h minus 3. So when you expand that, you get this one. Cancel 9 and minus 9. Finally you get 6 plus h. Then substitute the value of h is equal to 0 here. You get 6. That is 6 is the answer. The last method is, that is formula. Just apply the formula. That is, you guys need to learn that formula. That is, limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a equals n a raised to n minus 1. That is the formula. So here limit x tends to 0, x raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 2 divided by x minus 3 equals, what is n here? N is the power of a, right? Or index. So 2 is the power of 3. So 2 is the power, 2 is the value of n. So n is 2. 2 times, what is A? A is 3. 3 raised to, n is 2, right? 2 minus 1. So 2 times 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So these are the 4 methods. First method, row and column method. Second method, factorization method. Third method, substitution method. Fourth one, using the formula. Okay guys, take your pen and paper. Do it. See you next time. Thank you.